Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to look at using multiple rows. I may have referred to having a bunch of elements and certain elements going onto a different line as a row. Really shouldn't have. I'm going to try not to. They're essentially lines. And the reason they are rows as well, the reason I don't want to use rows, so I don't want you to get mixed up with the class row, and that's what we're talking about today. So if we just go onto our website. So here we have it. We are on the screen size of medium. It's going to stick to medium for now. So we've got 4, 4, 4. Actually, no, sorry, we're on large. So we got 3 grid spaces, 3 grid spaces, and 3 grid spaces, and there are 3 remaining. And let's say if I want to add these items like they are again. So I'm going to copy and paste this, save it, refresh, and they are working as they should be, but perhaps we don't want them to continue on from where the previous element left off. If there is enough space for it to continue, perhaps we want it to continue on a new row. And to do that, what we do, let's just undo this, we simply outside of this row we do div class equals row, and now we put this content inside here, save that, refresh, and as you can see this is actually on a separate row now. It's nothing to do with that. So if we were to, I don't know, add another item, I'm going to add 2 items. I'm going to change these size to 2 and 2, refresh. There was enough space to fit one but not the other one, and as you can see this is still not on this line simply because it's in an entirely different row now. What we do in this generally does not affect the positioning of this. Obviously it'll move it down and up, but that's just due to the height of this particular row. So that's using multiple rows. Most likely you will be using multiple rows. It's a great thing. It's great for sort of grouping items together. So if you have a website, got a header, or you've got stuff at the top, maybe some banners that will be in a separate row, you've got maybe some featured items that will be in a separate row, at the bottom you've got a footer that will be in its own sort of row as well. So that's the difference. I mean, that's how you use multiple rows. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Plus there'll be also another link in the description to the source code from this video if you want to check that out. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.